Now sir, what if ito yung function? Paano namin ita-type to sa calculator? So first, recall na yung sec x is equal to 1 over cos x. So ito, pag ita-type mo na to sa calculator, magiging ganito. Press mo ddx, tapos don't forget na dapat naka-radian yung calculator mo because we are dealing with a trigonometric function. So yung sec squared x magiging 1 over cos x squared. So paano nakuha yan? Kasi yung sec x equal sa 1 over cos x. So ito, naka-square kasi to. So magiging 1 over cos squared x. So kaya ganito na yan. And let's input dito, let's say 5. So ito yung magiging result. Store natin yan sa A. Now, ita-try natin yung choices, tapos papalitan natin ng 5 yung x. Kasi 5 kasi yung ginamit natin kanina. So ita-type natin to. Yung letter A magiging 2 times yung sec squared x magiging 1 over cos x and then squared times tan x. So press calc and then 5. So ito yung answer natin, which is the same kanina. So alam na natin na ito na yung answer natin. Now, wag mo na tong isolve. Kasi nakuha na natin.